The other thing that we're hearing as a challenge is around safety, safety and security. With what's currently happening in our society, we continue to see the number of gun shootings that are happening. We are seeing various other situations of, lack of a better term, local terrorism that is happening. How to keep individuals safe. I can't tell you how many times I had conversations with venues at the end of January, beginning of February, when we were having conversations about what is ICE able to do and not do inside a venue's property. And my first comment was, well, talk to an attorney in your state. I'm not an attorney. Different things apply within different states, but we were kind of working through that process of like, here's what you need to do, here's what you talk about, here's what we understand, here's our conversations with ICE, but helping them think about that. And the more and more, I think this is also what's impacting some of our attendance is people are just, they're scared for various reasons to get out. And so when they come into a venue, how do we help them feel safe? And when I say safe, it's not just physically safe, but mentally safe, that they know they can come in and they're in an environment that everything has been done as best as possible to keep them safe. And I think from the convention center side, one of the things I keep hearing more and more is, do we have to start investing in these, the actual metal detectors that we see more at arenas and stadiums and in performing arts centers? And the answer is probably yes. I think that's going to become the new norm in the next couple of years, because again, it adds a level of accountability for the venue, making sure. I think we're going to see more organizers requesting it, but it also gives, again, that mental safety, like at least there's something that is passing through.